Hello students, in our previous class we have read the poem. Now in today's class I'm going to explain the poem. The poem name is Where Go the Boats? That means we are going to learn about journey of boats. The poem is divided into 4 stanzas, and in the first stanza of this poem, poet says that the color of the river is dark brown and the color of the sand is golden. The color of the river is dark brown and the color of sand is golden. And the river flows this way. There are trees on its either side. There are trees on the both side of the river. Then in second stanza, poet says that the leaves of trees are flowing on river water. The leaves of the trees are flowing on river water, and foams created by river look like castle. Foam, children, is a mass of bubbles created by river. So when the foams are created by river, it just look like castle. Castle is a large, wonderful building where king or where rich person live. Then poet is sailing his boat on river, and he is wondering that where will it arrive. And in this river, poet is sailing his paper boat, and he is wondering that where his boat will arrive. Then comes to third stanza. In the third stanza, the poet says, river flows down the mountains and hills. This river moves to mountains and hills. It flows through valley and then pours the mill. Means it goes all these ways. This river flows through valley and then pours the mill. And in the last stanza, the poet says that river flows 100 or more miles. Now he is saying that you can't imagine the end of the river because it flows 100 or more than 100. Then poet is saying that other children shall bring his boats ashore. Then other children will bring his paper boat towards land. So in this way, poet is telling how the river flows through different parts of nature. Through this poem, the poet is telling about how this river which he is describing here, flows different part of nature. He is describing the journey of his paper boat made by him. This was the poem. I hope you have understood the poem.